Hi everyone, welcome back. If you have been on this planet Earth, then you have definitely heard the word website. But if you are not a tech person, you might have wondered, what exactly is a website? What about website hosting and website domains? Well, by the end of this video, you will have enough knowledge to confidently answer these questions. In this digital era, it's essential to know the basics of websites, especially if you are thinking of creating one or just want to understand how the internet works. In fact, websites have become game changers in today's world. Many people come up with innovative ideas, convert them into websites, and are building big businesses around them. So let's break it down, starting with the most fundamental concept: what is a website? A website is essentially a collection of web pages that are linked together and hosted on the internet. These pages can contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia content. But what makes a website truly interesting is that whatever content you see on a website is created through programming and coding. The content you see could be dynamic, meaning it can change for each user or request, depending on the purpose of the site. For instance, when you visit an online store, the products you see might be tailored on your interest based on your browsing history. Similarly, news websites can show you headlines that are relevant to your location or preferences. This dynamic nature is one of the key features that make websites so powerful. And it doesn't stop there. You can also go online with your own website and serve anything you want. Whether you want to start a business, sell online courses, or share your ideas with the world, a website gives you a platform to do that. Now I hope you would not have doubt about website. Now let's see what is website hosting. Website hosting is like renting space on the internet. Just like you need a physical space to set up a shop, like that you need digital space to set up a website. This digital space is provided by companies known as the web hosts or website hosting providers. A web host stores all the files and data that make up your website on their servers. When someone wants to visit your website, their browser sends a request to these servers, which then deliver the necessary files to display the site on their device. There are many web hosting services available, each offering different features like storage space, bandwidth, and security options. Some popular web hosting providers include Hostinger, GoDaddy, Bluehost, etc. Now that you know what a website is and how it gets hosted, let's talk about the website domain. A website domain is like the address of your website. It's what people type into their browser to find your site. Just like how your home has an address where people can send mail, your website needs a domain name where people can find it online. Domain names are unique to each website. For example, Google's domain name is google.com. Amazon domain's name is amazon.com. Behind the scenes, these domain names are connected to specific IP addresses, which are like the exact coordinates where your website's data is stored on the web. To get a domain name, you will need to register it through a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you have your domain name, you can connect it to your web host to make your site accessible online. Choosing a good domain name is crucial because it's how visitors will remember and access your site. It's often recommended to keep it short, easy to spell, and reflective of what your website is about. So let's recap. A website is a collection of web pages. Website hosting is where your site's files are stored, and a domain name is the address people use to find your site. In today's digital world, understanding these concepts is more important than ever. Websites have truly become game changers, enabling people to turn their ideas into successful businesses. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Got any questions about website, hosting and domains? Drop them in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them. See you in the next video.